So cutting this dang gourd with a jigsaw. It's apparently the only way to cut one.
You have a really crappy design.
Do you need to make the eyes bigger?
Well, it's all these angles that you've got that are going to be the problem.
I don't know if mine's going to be able to cut either.
I can't turn.
Yours will be fine.
Yours will be okay.
Yours should be fine. It's mine that's the problem.
I don't know about this.
Why don't you just make 2 circles?
Do it.
Cutting it with the only tool that works.
Yep.
Oh, I thought maybe this might offer more control.
You can drill the eye holes.
No, you can't.
What?
No, you can't.
Yes, you can. You need a circle. Don't. Put the drill
Why
down.
does he want a hole in the back?
I don't want to hold it back.
He's got a hole in his head. He got shot. He was in the army. Now he's getting electrified. My design will work. I carefully designed
Not
this.
easily.
Not easily, but it should work. One eye down.
I'm not killing my good drill for his pumpkin. I don't care about this jigsaw. It's a piece of crap.
Yep, it can be replaced. What can't money buy? I could buy your soul for $50.
Okay, Andy. I'm sure you think you're funny.
It has to be funny.
This will allow you to grip this blade that you can work that little...
It's not that. It's that this thing is so thick.
I know.
It's
Not
like
gonna do it.
trying to cut
do
a
you mean?
rhinoceros
Not yet,
with
you
a
don't tell me.
toothpick.
See?
It doesn't work.
It's not.
You sick